The fascinating wave of DJI Avata 3 leaks has pushed the drone community into a fresh storm of speculation, excitement, and heated debate, and the more details that surface, the clearer it becomes that this drone is shaping up to be far more than just another incremental FPV update. It is looking like a genuine, next-generation aerial platform built to bridge the chaotic fun of freestyle FPV with the refined, professional demands of cinematic drone production, merging cutting-edge features, rumored specifications, and evolving camera technology into a system that could redefine how both creators and seasoned pilots approach immersive flight. High-speed chases, dynamic action cinematography, and lightweight pro FPV workflows. And when you break down everything insiders are whispering, from the redesigned frame to the sensor leap to the new battery placement to the upgraded transmission pipeline and the deeper AI software integration, you begin to see a clear picture of a drone that is positioned right between the world of adrenaline and the world of storytelling, right between cinematic discipline and freestyle madness, right between Hollywood-grade visuals and accessible creator-friendly engineering designed to simplify complex moves while still giving pilots the raw mechanical push they crave. When the original Avata launched, its ducked cinematic FPV design immediately captured attention because it was the first mainstream, ready-to-fly system that blended prop protection, controlled agility, and smooth stabilized imagery in a way that traditional FPV rigs rarely offered without painstaking custom builds. The Avata 2 refined that combination with better stability, stronger tuning, slightly improved flight times, and more intuitive controls, but it still felt like a cautious step, useful, polished, but not revolutionary. That is why the Avata 3 leaks feel so different. Because insiders and analysts are calling this the version where DJI stops gently iterating and finally jumps boldly into a new category, pushing FPV drones closer to premium cinema tools while still keeping them fast, compact, aggressive, and beginner-friendly enough for weekend creators, travel vloggers, action athletes, and solo filmmakers who want real speed but also want reliability, stabilization, and color profiles that hold up during professional editing. One of the biggest rumored upgrades, and the feature that is generating the most hype across filmmaking forums and FPV groups, is the possibility of a true 1-inch CMOS sensor fitted into a larger redesigned camera housing, which would be a massive leap from the smaller sensors used in previous models. This change alone would elevate the Avata 3 from being a fun FPV drone with nice footage to something that competes with serious aerial cameras, delivering better low-light performance, stronger dynamic range for sunny and shadowy scenes, cleaner colors for grading workflows, sharper details during fast motion, and more flexibility for reframing in post-production thanks to wider capture formats and potentially improved stabilization algorithms that take advantage of the larger imaging surface. The camera leak also mentions a square or slightly expanded sensor layout, which could give the drone extra room for AI-driven horizon leveling, enhanced gyro stabilization, and advanced post-crop reframing options, something creators increasingly want as vertical platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts dominate content demands. If the Avata 3 offers higher resolution open-gate style capture, filmmakers could shoot once and deliver across multiple aspect ratios without needing reshoots or awkward stabilization patches. Externally, leaks say DJI has abandoned the bright orange bumpers and shifted toward a more serious, sleeker, tactical aesthetic designed to feel professional while reducing visual distractions in the frame during tight indoor shots. Meanwhile, the battery appears to have been moved toward the rear of the drone, a structural change that likely improves weight distribution and helps the craft maintain balance during aggressive pitch-forward flights or high-G climbs. The old 3-blade props are rumored to be replaced with 4-blade propellers, giving stronger thrust, smoother control inputs, and more precise handling for tight gaps and rapid transitions, something both racers and filmmakers appreciate, since smoother throttle curves make fast lines easier to capture with cinematic consistency. Performance-wise, the numbers circulating hint at a top speed near 140 km per hour, which places this drone squarely in race-class velocity while still keeping it in a ready-to-fly consumer package. Combined with projected flight times of 23 to 25 minutes per battery, impressive for an FPV machine capable of such aggressive output. This means the Avata 3 will likely strike an excellent balance between performance, speed, and real-world usability, giving creators more time in the air to frame shots and rehearse moves while reducing battery stress during high-drain maneuvers. Transmission upgrades appear to be another major pillar of the Avata 3's redesign, with rumors pointing toward DJI's newest low-latency, long-range protocol that could push rock-solid digital video feeds across double-digit kilometer distances in ideal regulatory conditions, all while reducing jitter and motion sickness in FPV goggles thanks to smoother refresh rates, deeper color, and more stable signal locking. crucial for pilots who fly aggressively or in environments with heavy interference. If paired with a new generation of DJI FPV goggles, potentially with larger micro-OLED panels, wider dynamic range, improved clarity, and lower input lag, the Avata 3 could deliver the most immersive and comfortable FPV experience DJI has ever offered, letting pilots dive mountains, carve forest trails, chase vehicles, or fly intricate indoor spaces with more confidence and sharper real-time visibility. As for software, insiders expect a substantial jump here as well: enhanced subject tracking, refined obstacle awareness in low-light environments, smarter fail-safes to prevent lost drones in the event of signal issues, and advanced AI tools that blend tracking, predictive flight algorithms, and horizon stabilization more seamlessly than before. Although full autonomous FPV in dense environments remains unrealistic, the real advantage here is synergy: AI-assisted flight tools that reduce the number of retakes, make action shots easier to follow, and help less experienced pilots capture smooth, usable cinematic shots with fewer crashes and less frustration. All these upgrades paint a picture of a drone designed not just for adrenaline seekers but for small production teams, YouTubers, travel filmmakers, FPV vloggers, real estate videographers, action sports creators, automotive shooters, and content producers who want professional quality without building custom rigs or juggling multiple stabilization tools. However, availability may be complicated. Recent global regulations, import restrictions, certification delays, and national security reviews have already slowed the rollout of several recent drones. So it is entirely possible that the Avata 3 will not be released globally at the same time, meaning some countries may face delayed distribution, limited stock, or staggered batches during launch season. That has nothing to do with quality, it is simply the new regulatory landscape for drones in many regions. But if the DJI Avata 3 arrives with the rumored specs, a 1-inch sensor, major camera overhaul, stronger propulsion system, better tuning, upgraded goggles, extended range, higher speeds, smarter software, and a refined design, this could easily become DJI's most compelling FPV drone ever. A device that blends speed with cinematic image quality and intelligent tools that let creators shoot faster, edit less, and capture higher quality content in tighter, more dynamic environments. So the only question now is simple: which rumored upgrade excites you the most, the huge sensor jump, the wild top speed potential, or the next-gen tracking technology that could make advanced FPV moves easier for everyday creators? Let us know your thoughts below.